What in the world? What is going on?
1월 10일 자정전 19세기로 노르웨이. 어디에나 푸른 불빛이 있고 이상한 소리가 들린다. 그것은 우리의 우주선이 모든 곳에 수백만 명이 있다는 것을 뜻합니다. 지금도 마찬가지래요.
Can you see it anywhere else? So just over there and then over here. I've seen this movie once. Is this the second coming? The rapture. It's the rapture. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What do you think? It's gotta be like crystals of snow, or crystals from the freeze. It's negative 19.
Oh, there's that flickering one again.
Where? Yeah, it's amulets. Oh, that's so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Wait, like, can you see? Somebody getting pulled over and we're just seeing the reflection. What's that sound? What's that sound? Oh, it's the train.
Idiot.